for today's video, ang gagawin namin ay maliligo. Ira, come here! Andito kami sa 6 feet. Super, lalim.
Oh my God, lalim.
Super nice dito, guys. Must try.
Natatakot ako. Ay, 6 feet tayo. Ba't kayo magkakita?
What? Oh, well. Dito ka, Ira. Come here.
Malayo.
Oh!
I mean, ano. Tapos pag ano.
Magbangsa ko. Swimming 40. Ira, come here. Hi guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. For today's video, we're going to swim in this sea. It's a 6 feet. Like, look at us right now. We're drowning. Come on, help me. Pakita ko si Ira. Under the water. Help me. Oh, what are you going to say?
Pwede na kasi.
Ano sabihin mo, Ira? Come on. Please support our page for this new, what do you call this one? New journey of our life. Guys, go like that. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go, Ira! Come on, Ira! 6 feet! 6 feet! Uy, lapit ka din. Isa pa, Ira! Here! May nag-picture. Dito tayo! Pakitaan mo ako ng floating.
Ayan.
Floating. Floating. Oh! Kali! Namatay na siya. Okay, next.
Ako naman.
Floating. Eh! Ako naman.
Ang galing.
Ang sarap. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so much guys for watching our vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you next to my vlog, and please like, subscribe and share. It's up to you. Please subscribe, like and share our vlog for today's video, and have a nice day. Goodbye. Magbabay ka lang, bro.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. See you next on my next vlog.